How to fix Realme C53 or C55 won't send text messages. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on messages app, and here you can click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of messages app. After clear the cache memory, then check your network connection works properly or not. After checking your network connection, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and click on reset network settings. Now here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.